Hello everyone. Today we will be telling you about market outlook and trading ideas for the week ahead with Mr. Imran Vora, VP Equity Research. Subscribe now and press the bell icon to GEPL Capital's YouTube channel and never miss out on any stock market update and build your knowledge on investment.
Hello friends, in the current week we have seen that Nifty has closed at a mark of 15,722 level, and for this week the weekly loss was of 138 points, or in terms of percentage the market has tanked down 0.87%. Now here are the few observations for the current week, that how the market has behaved purely from the technical perspective. In the current week, we have seen that the Nifty has once again made a fresh new lifetime high at 15,915 and formed higher top, higher bottom formation, which shows a strong positive undertone of the market. On the weekly chart, the Nifty has formed a small bearish candle near to its all-time high, which shows some profit booking might have happened at higher level. On the daily chart, the Nifty has traded near its 20-day simple moving average throughout the week, which indicates range bound characteristics of the market, at least from the short term perspective. Daily momentum indicator is sustaining above the 50 mark, which shows bullish momentum for the market is intact. Talking about support and resistance level, key support level for Nifty is placed at 15,431 and below that at 15,145, while on the higher side major supplies placed at 15,986 and above that at 16,687. So what could be the probable strategy to trade the market for the next week? As we are observing that since the larger degree trend is strongly on the positive side, traders should go long and keep a strict stop loss of 15,431 for their existing long position as well as fresh new long positions which they are going to build in the next week. Now, seeing Bank Nifty from technical perspective. On the weekly charts, the Bank Nifty has maintained its higher top, higher bottom formation, which indicates bullish sentiment for the sector. On the daily charts, Bank Nifty has sustained near its 20-day simple moving average, which indicates a range bound characteristics, at least from the short term perspective. Daily momentum indicator of Bank Nifty has been sustaining near 50 mark throughout the week. However, it is also indicating some kind of lack of momentum, at least from short to medium term perspective. Talking about support and resistance of Bank Nifty, key support is placed at 33,908 and below that at 33,273. While on the higher side, key supply is placed at 35,810 and above that at 36,497. For the next week, we have identified two stocks which has the potential to outperform the broader market. First one is Rally Gear Limited. One can buy at the level of 138 with a stop loss placing at 126 for an upside potential of 160. Another counter which seems to be strongly positive from technical perspective is Sun Pharma Advanced Research Limited, also known as Spark. One can go long at 237 with a stop loss placing at 225 for an upside target of 265. So that's it, friend. If you like our commentary, you can subscribe our channel as well as you can follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Thank you for joining us.